Music. Is Capsule the online pharmacy for you? Let's find out. In this video, I'm reviewing Capsule, known for its fast, reliable prescription delivery. Interested? Check the description for links to their services. Capsule streamlines getting your prescriptions, perfect for anyone tired of pharmacy lines, missed refills, or poor service. Whether you have a chronic condition, a one-time need, or just prefer home delivery, Capsule's got you covered. It's incredibly simple. Upload your prescription and Capsule's pharmacy team handles everything, from verification to shipping. They even offer free same-day delivery in some areas. Manage your prescriptions easily with the Capsule app, including refill reminders. Their customer service is excellent, with pharmacists available to answer questions and provide guidance. Capsule is transparent about pricing, no hidden fees, so you'll see the cost upfront. Overall, Capsule is reliable and user-friendly. I highly recommend it for a modern, efficient way to manage prescriptions. It saves time and eliminates pharmacy stress, offering an excellent experience. Ready to try Capsule? Check the description below.